Engineers from the University of Waterloo have developed decision making and motion planning technology to limit injuries and damage when self driving vehicles are involved in unavoidable crashes. After recognizing that a collision of some kind is inevitable, the system works by analyzing all available options and choosing the course of action with the least serious outcome. The first rule for the autonomous vehicle AV crash mitigation technology is avoiding collisions with pedestrians. From there, it weighs factors such as relative speeds, angles of collision, and differences in mass and vehicle type to determine the best possible maneuver, such as braking or steering in one direction or another. The researchers consider the whole traffic environment perceived by the autonomous vehicle, including all the other vehicles and obstacles around it. And the researchers said the system is needed because the popular idea that AVs of the future will completely eliminate crashes is a myth. Although safety should improve dramatically, there are just too many uncertainties for safe driving vehicles to handle them all without some mishaps. AVs are capable of limiting damage when a crash is unavoidable because they always know what is happening around them via sensors, cameras, and other sources and routinely make tens and even hundreds of decisions per second based on that information. The new system decides how an AV should respond in emergency situations based primarily on predefined mathematical calculations considering the severity of crash injuries and damage. The researchers didn't attempt to factor in extremely complex ethical questions such as whether an AV should put the safety of its own occupants first or weigh the well-being of all people in a crash equally. But when car makers and regulators eventually hammer out the ethical rules for self-driving vehicles, the system framework is designed to integrate them.